All right, welcome once again, everyone. I'm here again. It's your guy Reggie. I'm going to do another very educational YouTube video just to help some people who are basic computer users who do not know how to copy files from one folder or one drive or a folder to a drive from one to another. In this case, the operating system I'm using is Windows 7. I'm going to do one in the future on Windows 10 and near future, but let's begin. So I'm going to show you how to copy your files just in case you have a situation where your hard drive crashes, you get a bad case of malware, a virus, and it eats up your files. You'll be able to have a backup copy so you won't lose all your important information. Some people have information that's of sentimental value, picture files, important documents. I'm an IT guy. I run across this all the time. I tell people make sure you make a backup of your files so that you will not lose your data. So okay, we're going to start, and I'm going to show you. First, I have in this case you can use an external hard drive or a flash drive, whichever one. In this case, I have both external hard drive and a flash drive. In this case, I'm going to be using my flash drive, and I'll show you that I have that in. I go right down here to the folders icon, and we'll go to my computer, and this is what I'm using. You see my removable disk drive, G drive, and it shows you how much space is free, how much total space, 14.5 gigabytes. I have 13.9 gigs free, so I still have all this free space on here. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing we do to copy files, I'm just going to use I'm going to go to any folder directory. Let's just use let's go to the documents I like to use, or let's go to the picture. I'm going to use the picture folder. So okay, since a lot of people like pictures, now here are a lot of pictures I've made copies of. I've saved you see in my pictures folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a couple things here, couple ways, things here how to do this. And if you want to, you can change the view. I like this is large icon view. You can change the medium, you see, or details view like that. But for everybody, I'm going to use like the medium icon view so you can see your pictures. And so a way you could do this, what you want to do, if you want to select all of them, all the pictures in the folder, you can hit Control A, you see that, or you can go to Edit, Select All, and you see that selects them all. All the files within the directory in the folder. So I'm going to invert selection and deselect, or you can highlight. If you just want to highlight a few, you can hold down the left mouse and you can hold the control button while you're holding the left mouse, and then just start. You see how it's highlighting them. Okay, alright, so in this case I don't want all these pictures, so I'm just gonna do it like that. What you see me do, hold your left mouse again and then control button and then slide across. So I'm just gonna choose these pictures, and then what you want to do, you want to go up here to your menu bar and select the edit. Select edit, and then you want to go down here where it says copy to folder. So you want to click on that with your mouse, copy to folder, and then you see this dialog box opens and it shows you all the different folders you can copy them to. So in this case, like I said, I want to copy them to my flash drive, which is this removable disk G drive. That's what those colon stands for. That's the drive, G is the letter. So you just click on that, and then you click copy, and you see right here this box pops up. Now if you want to see more details about how much time is remaining and all that, you can do that. And now we go to the G drive, and I'll show you. Let's change the view here so you can see medium icons, and voila, there it is. You see my picture files here. They kind of divided them because I already got a lot of files on my G drive, but you see these are some of the files. If you remember, all my picture files, some of the pictures that I had on in my picture, I copied them to my flash drive. And also you can move files and folders, and I can show you that in another video. But that's it. It's just that easy, folks, and that's what you want to do. You know, instead of, you know, so in case, you know, you have a bad computer issue where your hard drive fatally crashes, or some type of malware virus hits your computer and it eats your files and damages them, you know, that's how you do it. Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all for now. If you like, feel free to add a like to my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have friends or colleagues that are, you know, that are not familiar with this information on how to copy files from one folder or direct it to a drive or another folder, and then feel free to send them my video. Okay, folks, stay tuned. Many more to come. I'm going to be showing you how to do in Windows 10, and I'll be showing videos. Stay tuned for ones. I'll be showing how to use Dropbox and different cloud storage drives like Digu and Google Drive as well, so to know how to save files in there, so you know your information will be safe, you know, in case your computer does crash unexpectedly, because that's usually how it happens. Okay, folks, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day.